Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Hope we all remember that during 2020, Indian Navy floated an RFI proposal to develop a high-capacity lithium-ion battery system which should be capable of being fitted to submarines in service that use the lead-acid batteries. The reason for coming up with this request is to power the existing and new submarines with these lithium ion batteries to make sure the submarines are not required to surface periodically to use air to run its diesel engines. Conventional submarines have used the lead acid batteries for underwater propulsion, and these batteries typically provide power for shorter periods. Once the battery drains out or becomes low in power, the submarine is required to surface periodically to use air to run its diesel engines, which in turn recharges the battery on board the submarine. Coming to the surface just to recharge the battery makes the submarine vulnerable to be detected by the enemy and prone to be attacked. Even though having an AIP system, which is Air Independent Propulsion System, improves a submarine's underwater endurance, it adds to the complexity of submarine's construction and increases its weight. So the best option which Indian Navy thought of is to use the lithium ion batteries. To be precise, lithium ion batteries help in providing the output even when the charges run low, and they can be charged exceptionally fast and store much more energy. Now, since the Indian Navy is keen on recently approved Project 75I, the five foreign vendors selected are trying to boost their involvement in some or the other way. The latest update is regarding the offer which came from one of the five vendors, which is South Korean company, the Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. At MADEX 2021, the Naval Defense Exhibition held in Busan, the Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering was pitching its 3310 surface displacement submarine, which is also known as DSME 3000, to India for the country's Project 75 class program. The reason for pitching the DSME 3000 is to regain the Indian Navy's requirement, since these submarines use lithium-ion batteries which Indian Navy is looking for. According to DSME, these submarines would be one of the most capable submarines in terms of underwater endurance due to the best lithium batteries used in it. Another reason which DSME mentioned is that these submarines could be fitted with an air-independent propulsion system based on a hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell. The DSME 3000 has a length of 83.5 meters, a beam of 9.7 meters, and a draft of 14.7 meters. These submarines are substantially larger than the Scorpion class submarine of the Indian Navy. According to DSME, the larger dimensions of the submarines would allow for greater fuel and enough space for more weapons and other storage. DSME is also ready to add new features and other enhancements in order to meet the Indian Navy's need, and it is also said that there is a possibility that they will offer the submarine rescue vessels. These submarines are also equipped with 6 533 mm torpedo tubes and 6 vertical launch system cells. Even though DSME is offering so many offers, we have to just wait and see which two foreign vendors get a chance to combine with the Mazakan Dock Shipbuilders Limited and L&T Shipyards to build the 6 conventionally powered submarines for Indian Navy. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section.